In this video, I'll delve into the degrees you should steer clear of at all costs. But before potentially ruffling some feathers, let me quickly add a disclaimer. You should always pursue your passion. If your passion aligns with one of the degrees I mentioned, that's okay. Follow your heart. However, going deep into debt for a degree that may not offer much in return isn't advisable. You could end up in a situation where you're serving coffee and misspelling names. Plus, you can still study your passion without accumulating debt. Many top universities offer free courses on these subjects, so why pay for something you can access for free? That's my disclaimer out of the way. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Number 10 on the list is psychology. Despite its popularity, it falls short in crucial areas like job openings, satisfaction, and future growth potential. While it's undoubtedly interesting, majoring in it might not be the wisest choice. Next, at number 9, we have drama and theater arts. While it's challenging to learn acting solely from books or online resources, it doesn't change the fact that this degree often leads to limited job prospects. So, moving on to number 8 on the list, language studies. Now, I might receive some criticism for this one, as mastering certain languages can indeed lead to lucrative careers as translators. However, I've placed it on the list because language acquisition can often be accomplished through self-study programs, audio resources, or even immersion by living in a country where the language is spoken. In the modern world, with its global connectivity, there are numerous avenues to learn languages without accumulating significant debt. Admittedly, some languages like Mandarin or Cantonese may present greater challenges due to their complexity. But even for these, there are alternative, potentially more cost-effective methods of learning than pursuing a university degree. Next up, at number 7, we have communications. Similar to psychology, this major enjoys widespread popularity among students. However, it's one that can leave many wondering about its practical applications. The broad scope of communications makes it less specialized, leading to questions about its utility in the job market. It's akin to having a degree in general life skills, lacking the specificity needed for many career paths. Now, let's discuss number 6 on the list, photography. This field has become incredibly saturated in recent years, with many aspiring photographers seeking fame and fortune on platforms like Instagram. However, obtaining a degree in photography may not provide a significant advantage in this competitive landscape. With abundant online resources available, such as tutorials from renowned photographers like Peter McKinnon, aspiring photographers can acquire skills without the hefty price tag of a university education. A prime example is my friend who moved to an English-speaking country with minimal language skills, taught himself photography using free or inexpensive resources, and swiftly rose to prominence as a wedding photographer through dedication and practice. In fields like photography, it's often the portfolio that speaks volumes, not formal credentials. As we delve into these lower-ranked degrees, it becomes increasingly apparent that the value they offer may not justify the investment. Each presents its own challenges and considerations, but ultimately, the decision to pursue them should be weighed carefully against their potential returns. Moving on to number 5 on the list, fine arts. This degree is ranked lower than drama or theater because, unlike those disciplines, fine arts can be learned primarily through self-study, books, videos, or by interacting with other artists. I won't dwell on this one further. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's discuss number 4, anthropology, archaeology. In my research for this video, this degree exhibited the poorest statistics in terms of job prospects and growth. Breaking into this field requires creativity due to limited job openings, and the return on investment may leave you rediscovering your dignity while paying off student loans. Number 3. Art History. This degree, focusing on the history of art, lacks practicality and marketability. Textbooks are inexpensive, and free resources like YouTube make spending a significant amount of money on this degree seem unjustifiable. At number 2. Religious Studies. While reading religious texts can be informative, pursuing a degree in religious studies may not lead to viable job opportunities unless you aspire to become a television preacher. This applies broadly to any subject with studies in its title. Proceed with caution. Finally, number 1. Gender Studies. Widely ridiculed and lacking practical applications, majoring in gender studies may not lead to meaningful employment. While it's often discussed in politics, it's worth noting that few politicians hold degrees in this field. It's essential to consider the value a degree offers before investing time and money in it. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.